In this tutorial, we're going to review por and para. Por and para, expressing time, deadlines, movement, destination, means, purpose, etc. Although the prepositions por and para may both be translated as for in English, they are not interchangeable in most cases. Each word has a distinctly different use in Spanish. Note that the infinitive is used when a verb comes after por and para, as well as after all prepositions. Para is very unidirectional and points forward toward a goal or destination, whether literally or figurative. Por is less direct and can point in various directions, including backwards, toward, cause, or motive. Por and para have a variety of meanings, and they are often confused because they can each be translated as for. Gracias por la comida. Estas flores son para Itzel. To learn to use por and para correctly, you need to do two things. First, learn the rules for how por and para are used. And second, memorize model sentences. Let's start with por. Por has many uses than para, and so it is more problematic of the two. Here are a lot of the rules for por. To express gratitude or apology, for multiplication and division, or velocity, frequency and proportion, meaning through, along, by, in the area of, when talking about exchange, including sales, to mean on behalf or in favor of, to express a length of time, to express an undetermined or general time, meaning during, for means of communication or transportation, in case of mistaken identity or means of to be seen as, to show the reason for an errand, when followed by an infinitive to express an action that remains to be completed, use por plus infinitive, to express cause or reason. Estar por means to be in the mood or inclined to do something in passive constructions. Por also appears in many idiomatic expressions, a lot of them. Para, in contrast, has relatively fewer uses. To indicate destination, to show the use or purpose of the thing, to mean in order to or for the purpose of, to indicate a recipient, to express a deadline or a specific time, to express a contrast from what is expected. Estar para, to express an action that will soon be completed. Those are the uses of por and para. So try to remember the rule and review one of the examples also.